Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use an AI tool to make presentation. So this will be very helpful for you to make presentation in seconds. So this tool will be very helpful for academicians, especially teachers and also the research scholars, those who want to make presentations. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will generate presentations for us. So moving on to our today's video, the tool what we are going to discuss is that Pageon AI. So this is the dashboard of this Pageon AI. So here you can see there are two options are available. So create blank slide and create presentations with AI. So here I am going to use this option called create presentation with AI. So just click on create presentation with AI. So here you can see this is where you have to define your topic and AI to handle the creation. So or else you can add resources by uploading files or pasting URLs here. So you can choose your preferred domain for more precise generation. So these are the different options available. So I am going to use the same example which is given here. So here after giving the input, what are the best practices for sustainable living? So you can just click on the option called generate outline. So here you can see that our outline is generated. So the first option is understanding sustainable living, mindful shopping habits, reduce plastic waste, embracing a plant-based diet, energy efficiency at home, water conservation techniques, eco-friendly transportation options, support local and organic products, engaging in community sustainability and advocating environmental policies. So this is how the outline is generated using AI. So after considering all the outlines, so if you want to delete the particular outline which is not that much relevant to that topic, so you can delete that also. So after considering all this, you can have an option to generate slides. So just click on generate slides. So it will take several seconds. So it will arrange and it will generate a better content for you. So here comes our slides. So our slides are generated. So the first one is that, so eco-friendly. So next, reducing plastic waste. So next one you can see that embracing a plant-based diet. So next, energy efficiency at home. So next one is with citation, that is very important. Next, water conservation techniques. So next, eco-friendly transportation option. So next, supporting local and organic products. So here engaging a community sustainability initiatives, advocating for environmental policies. So here you can see that use this, explore web sources identified by AI and review summaries tailored to your uploads. So like that, AI will analyze all the sources related with that particular topic you have given and it will generate slides for you. So this is how you can generate a perfect slides for your research paper and also your presentations. So if you want to make a presentation, especially this tool will very helpful for teachers so who want to make an instant presentation. So you can make use of this option. So here you will be having an option called, so you can autoplay into full screen, so thereby you can get a clearer view. So next you can see that, so this is the first one. Second one is mindful shopping habits. So all the pictures are very mostly relevant and also it will be very attractive one also for our topic we have given for. So this is how you can use this Pageon.ai to generate better presentation for you. So make use of this option and make a very attractive presentation in seconds using this Pageon AI. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So the important thing is that, so after completing all this, so if you want to get even more, so you have to go for subscription. And also important thing is that, so you can have themes here, so you can select whatever the themes you want. So here you can see that corporate, bubblegum, skies. So these are the different themes are available. So if you want to change the theme, you can change the theme also. Accordingly, the theme of that particular PPT will be also be changed. So next one is, so here you can see the templates. So how the template will be, so these are the different templates are available. So you can make use of this template also to order perfectly. So next one is, this is edit option, so you can edit the text. Next, this is data option. So these are the different option where you can edit in this particular tool itself. So this is how you can use this Pageon AI. So after that, I have told you that you have to go for, if you want to upgrade, you have to go for that is subscription option. So apart from this, you can generate a better outline slides. So this will be very helpful for you to make an instant presentation. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.